Iron Condor is probably one of the most popular strategy among retail traders. Why? Because it's a hedge strategy. But the problem starts when Iron Condor starts to break the range up and down. And today we're going to talk about the adjustment on how to control the damage when market go directional. Exactly what we're going to discuss about straight away on the point. Iron Condor in trouble? Learn the math behind it. Let me introduce you the payoff and then we'll learn about the adjustments as well. This is how the Iron Condor looks. As you can see, we sold a call out of the money and then 200 points above, we bought a protection. On the put side as well, we did something like this. Why it is so popular? Because it's evident that it's a hedge strategy. Now let's go ahead. This is a simulator and market is going to take one way. So if I go ahead by 1 day, and then I keep moving ahead. Let's see what happens with this. And now this is 6th of April and market is still within the range. We'll only take action if market breaches the break even on the upside or on the downside. 7th, 8th, and what do we see on 8th? This says breach the break even on the upside. Now it's time to do an adjustment. We want to convert the Iron Condor into a hedge strategy only. Will not touch the buying leg. But here what we're going to do is one side market move, that means the put side is profitable. As you can see, we sold and then we bought. So what do we have to do is we can completely square off the side which is opposite. Will not touch the challenge side. Let's exit this 69.2, exit this as well 56.95. This is done. Now, we sold a 23,800 call and 24,000. This remain untouched as of now. We open an option chain of the current series. The same strike call which we sold, the same strike put is what we are selling now. So let's do that, 23,800. So let's do that, this one. We sold the call already, put is sold. Now we go 200 points down and we bought the put. Simple so far. When we do this, something very familiar will pop out on the screen for you. Let's have a look at that. This is how. So what we did, we actually made it into Iron Fly, a very popular strategy. On this channel, I've made at least 5-7 adjustments of Iron Fly. Now, when we trade Iron Fly, two possibilities. Number one, what if market snaps back? In that situation, that is not an issue. If market really go into the red, up or down, then we can do many adjustments. But this is how Iron Condor can be tackled. We are not adjusting the losing side, remember. We are compressing the battlefield now. Let's see what happened when we go next day. It has broken as you can see, it has come into the red zone now. So now it's asking for adjustment. The Iron Fly. Now, out of so many adjustments, I'm going to tell you a very simple adjustment which one can do is that we open option chain here. And by the way, I must tell you one thing. I don't know if you have noticed, when you convert from Condor to Fly, the red zone which you see, that red zone reduces because you're taking extra credit by moving your put sides towards at the money strike. That is important. Now let me open option chain here. And this is an option chain and we could just sell far out of the money put. We could sell that. There are so many. There is also reverse buying which one can do. There's so many methods by which one can trade this. Now, if I reset the zoom, it will show you a really high range. Market currently is close to 24,000. It's the monthly series and we have sold a put which is 2,000 points down. Now, what we want is theta decay from the market, and let's see what's happening with theta decay. In this channel, there are so many methods. Any strategy which you do and you want to level up into any strategy, you can learn an alternative adjustments to it. Now, if you are a working professional and you are in the market and you like to trade Iron Condor in this specific example, you know very well exactly where do market need to go. So I convert my Iron Condor into Iron Fly. And then when you do Iron Fly, when markets breaks the range, this is the adjustment which I'm showing you. But is this the best adjustment? Maybe not, because Iron Fly, one can really manufacture a lot of different adjustments. maybe I don't like to sell a put out of the money because that may just take extra margin from me. I want to adjust it without using an extra margin. Now this is very special. Maybe I make a part 2 of this, maybe not, but so far you're learning the conversion method. Now the trade on one side can go wherever, there is no issue. I can completely exit the trade right here. I could just simply leave the trade as the trade it is right now. I don't need to touch the trade anymore. I could just completely leave it over here. Remember, Iron Condor gives you a breathing space, but Iron Fly give you control of adjustments. That's good. Now let's see some more points which I have for you when we adjust this. Don't negotiate the adjustment trigger. As soon as the break even is breached, the adjustment starts in this. If you do too early, then it's not advisable, because how would you make Iron Fly then, right? If you do too late, then the trade is already in red zone. That's gonna be a very late Iron Fly. That is something which you must know. You are betting on market's laziness, not its direction. When we trade into options, when we trade into option strategies, we try to make sure that we adjust in such a way where we are not guessing where market is going to go next. And that is something which we should always keep in mind from the beginning of the trade when we are entering it. The adjustment plan, the volume plan, how to really play with this. That's the exact reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading one must avoid into the markets. You can elevate your trading game, you can learn the craft in record time and save hours of work. Which strategy to do when? Which adjustment is more effective versus other 7-8 adjustments? That's something where you must focus on. I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video and learned something good if you trade Iron Condor. Very good strategy, hedge strategy, but adjustment should also be superior. Thanks for watching and I wish you all the very best. Take care, signing off. Bye-bye.